Hello, welcome to Aquaworld Aquarium. The prehistoric arowana is a long, sleek, streamlined fish of great beauty with a unique character. Arovanas have a distinct scale pattern and are found in an array of colors, including silver, gold, and even red. They are a large, predatory species with an aggressive disposition. They have the potential to grow rapidly, up to 2 inches per month. Many believe that arovanas bring good luck and fortune. Typical arovana appearance and behavior. Arovanas have mandibular barbels or whiskers that are used to sense movement on the water's surface. Known for jumping out of tanks that do not have a secure top, in nature, they will jump out of the water to grab prey. Arovanas are aggressive feeders, feeding on most foods that will fit into their large mouths. Some arovanas tend to become solitary as they mature. Characteristics: care difficulty intermediate to advanced. Average lifespan 10-20 plus years when properly cared for. Average adult size 3 plus feet depending on species. Diet carnivorous. Minimum habitat size 150 plus gallons depending on species. Water temperature 70 to 82 degree F. Habitat. Habitat size. Keep your arovana in an appropriately sized aquarium. The arovana is a surface swimming fish, so your tank's width and length are more important than its height. Because arovanas grow quickly and are large adults, a 150-gallon aquarium is the minimum size recommended to help keep them healthy. Building your pet's habitat. Habitat. Arovanas are avid jumpers, so be sure to have a tight-fitting aquarium cover. Water health. Provide proper filtration to ensure optimal water quality to help maintain health. Moderate to strong water circulation should be provided to mimic water currents and high oxygen levels found in the arovana's natural habitat. Stable water quality, pH, ammonia, nitrate, nitrite, and water temperature are critical to your aquatic life's health. If you are unsure of your water quality, bring a sample to Petco for free testing. An aquatic heater should be used to stabilize water temperature, ensuring it does not fluctuate more than 2 degrees in either direction in a 24-hour period. The addition of aquarium salt can support your arovana's gill health. The specific gravity should be kept at 1.004. Do not allow specific gravity to fluctuate more than 0.001 in either direction a 24-hour period. Decor. Although they are top dwellers, arovanas benefit from the addition of plants and driftwood. Feeding. Arovanas are carnivores, and a well-balanced arovana diet consists of floating pellets designed for surface-feeding carnivorous fish, live, frozen or freeze-dried fish and insects, krill, worms and shrimp. Avoid insects or invertebrates with sharp or very hard shells for juvenile arovanas. Things to remember when feeding your arovana. These fish are surface feeders, often gliding just below the water's surface. Feed young fish 2 to 3 times a day and adults once a day. Feed only what they can eat in 1 to 2 minutes.